In this video, I'm going to show you how I put a door in my 2V metal conduit geodesic dome I'm going to use as a winter greenhouse. Practical, effective technology. I made this channel to experiment with simple technology for agriculture and energy. Clicking the subscribe button tells YouTube's algorithm you want to see more videos like this. Click the subscribe button now. Of course, you have to make the struts and assemble the frame first. I have another video posted on my channel detailing this process. It was pretty easy to assemble the frame, like a big mechano set from my youth, and I was impressed at how a small circular area ends up being 200 square feet. Probably the most impressive thing though is just how strong the structure is. I'm 300 pounds and can hang off the top struts without bending the frame. It should be sturdy enough for the strongest winds with this design. Of course, I built a 2-foot tall wood frame for the geodesic dome to stand on and added some vent ports for cooling and fresh air reasons, which I'll discuss in another video. When installing a door in a geodesic dome, first you have to pick a star. There are 2 stars in a 2V dome, 5-pointed and 6-pointed. I chose a 5-pointed star and disassembled it to add a wood frame. Then you have to cut and make struts at different lengths to add support to the door frame from the metal conduit. These struts are at different lengths than the original 2 cuts for the dome, so I made them on site with a hammer, hacksaw, and a drill, instead of assembly line style in a garage with a hydraulic press, also known as a squisher, and a drill press. Once supported, I added 1x6 boards all around the base of the wood by the conduit struts. Later, I'll attach the plastic for the greenhouse cover to this wood. Then I made a space for the vent above the door. I'll probably put an automatic opening device on this vent to keep the greenhouse from overheating. If it's not enough, I'll add a fan to this space. This greenhouse is only 200 square feet, so it shouldn't be too hard to keep cool in the summer. I made sure all the boards matched up with the base. The 1x6 boards I added all around the base connected really well, with just a few simple cuts. Finally, I added the door. I got the door free. A friend was throwing it out, and being a fully insulated door, it's more than good enough for this 4-season greenhouse. It just bolted in with ease. The door will face north, so it doesn't matter that it won't allow any sunlight through. That's it. The easy way to add a door and a wood frame to a conduit 2V geodesic dome greenhouse. If you want to see more videos on how I made this greenhouse, please subscribe to my channel. There's a lot more videos there on this build. If you agree or disagree with what I said here, say something in the comments below. Hey, at very least like or dislike this video that you just wasted all this time watching.